let's begin with a gentle warm-up dance. We'll do lots of repetitions, but I'll throw some challenges your way, so follow me as best as you can and just focus on having fun with the dance and with the drumming. Don't worry so much about technique because we're gonna get to that afterwards. Yalla Habibi, let's get started in basic belly dance posture with our feet a couple of inches apart, our knees bent, hips tucked forward, abs in and up, chest lifted. Are you exhausted yet? We'll put our hands in basic and let's just start with the belly dance sway with the drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, sway it, sway. Let's speed it up. Little challenge there. How about some hip drops? Challenge. Speed it up now, front and back. How about some horizontal hip figure of eights? Challenge. Some hip undulations. Faster. And the other way. a challenge. Let's do them one way and another, like this, and round, around. Is that enough? How about some folkloric shoulders? And hop with it. There's a lot going on. Chest undulations. Faster. Going down. And backwards. This one. Oh my goodness. Back to our chest circles. Other way. How about some arms? Snake arms. Ready to get ready for shoulder shimmies? Are you ready for shoulder shimmies, Bob? Challenge, 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 challenge. Are you shaking it? Shake it. Woo! Can we keep our shimmy going longer than Bob and keep that roll going? Woo! Give us a final roll, Bob. Vertical hip shimmy, why not? Why not choo-choo it? Bring your arms up. And I think we're ready to move on to our lesson. Come on. Oh boy. Iowa! How did you do with that? Pretty challenging sometimes, right? especially because you didn't know what I was going to do. And that's why we teach the way that we do, so that you can learn to hear the music and dance with the moves that you want to do without having to follow me or memorize a choreography. For the next 40 minutes, we're going to slow it way down and learn and practice what I call essential range of motion exercises. These are motions that form the foundation of belly dance moves. In this class, we're focusing on the 6 motions of the upper torso. These are motions that form belly dance chest moves like shoulder shimmies or undulations, both staccato and sinuous moves. At the end of the class, we'll do some key stretches for these belly dance motions. Yalla Habibi, let's get started with our first exercise. Stand and face me as if you're looking in a mirror. To do the full class, click on the link in the description or go to school.jensuya.com and enroll for detailed technique instruction, relevant practice, and key stretches, all with lifetime access to this beginner belly dance class.